Hi friends, welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you and your family is fine and well. Today we are going to see how to log in into IRCTC website. So let's suppose you are having vacation and you are planning to travel through train to book ticket, right, for train. So from where you can be able to book train ticket. So okay, I will let you know one particular website. From there you'll be able to book your tickets. So first I will show you how to log in that particular website. Next video I will show you how to book train tickets. Okay, so you have to open any browser. You have to search for IRCTC. So when you search for this particular website, irctc.co.in, this is the official website of IRCTC. Okay, from here you will be able to book Indian Railway train tickets. So you have to open this particular link. Once you will open, you will get interface like this. Okay, so in this particular interface you will be able to see from to date. So from which particular railway station you want to travel and where you want to travel, up to which railway station you want to travel, you have to put the name of that particular railway station and on what date you want to travel. The date of journey you need to choose here. After that, in which class, either you want to travel in sleeper, AC, choose from here. After that, you can click on search. So first I will show you how to log in. So at the right top corner you can see this particular four rectangle shapes. So you have to click here and you have to click on login. Once you click on login, they will ask you for your username. Okay, so let's suppose I am having username. I will enter here. So I am entering my username, and after it they will ask you password. So once you register, okay, if you are new, you have to register yourself first. So by clicking here you can be able to register. Registering yourself, you will get one unique user ID and you will get one unique password. So you have to enter here and after that you have to click on login. So I will enter my password here. So you can see after that you need to enter this particular captcha in this text box. Once you entered this particular captcha, you need to click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you can see here this is your home page of IRCTC. From here you will be able to book train tickets. Do not forget to log out. Once you click here and you will get log out option. So click here on log out option. So you will be able to come out from your IRCTC home page. So in this easy steps, friends, you will be able to log in into IRCTC website. So if you like this video, please subscribe channel.